What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. For those that have been watching and engaging, thank you very much for your support, and for those coming in for the first time, thank you for being here. Hope you like the videos, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Let's get it. Today we've got the Ford Mustang GT with a custom body kit. Man, look at them lines. I had to take some steps back to enjoy the view. Man, look at that. Riding on 19s, look at that Mustang. Got the loudest exhaust system I've heard so far. That's the Roushe custom exhaust system. Gotta be a 6-speed so you can tame it. I really like the kit on this car. It makes it look more aggressive. Volume on 100% right now. Let's get it.
Yeah, that's a beast, man. I can't even hear it now.
Fast and furious.
Sounds mad, doesn't it?
Man, that was a beast. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.